こんにちは皆さん、Ms.P です。Hello everyone, I'm Ms.P. Today I'm going to introduce you Hawaiian coffee. This is the, I'm going to show you. It says Gold Coffee Company Kanaloa blend. It's super delicious. I love it. With the whipped cream, I actually tried this, Godiva coffee, caramel with the whipped cream, but I love this coffee better with the whipped cream. I was super surprised. I think because this is already flavored, but this is not. That is why this coffee is gonna go well with the whipped cream. It's super delicious. Actually, coffee with whipped cream is called Vienna Coffee. So I'm gonna show you how to make Vienna coffee. Okay? First of all, I'm gonna grind the coffee beans. So I'm gonna put it in here. Maybe this much. Maybe this much. Okay, so I'm gonna make it now. And then I'm gonna make a coffee with this filter, drip filter. I don't know how they call this. So let's make it. And then I will add maple syrup to the coffee, just a little bit. And the star. And I'm going to add this whipped cream. Okay. So it's done. Well, I'm going to try this now. Super delicious. I really love this coffee with whipped cream. It's super delicious. Unbelievable. How come this is so delicious? It's only $7.99.